These two hanging pendulum lights will get replaced with 3 cans in the soffit. After turning the breaker off, always test your connections with your electrical tester to make sure the power is off at every switch, every receptacle, every piece that you're changing out. This is a remodel style can light. I'm going to show you how to hook it up. I've already cut the 6-inch hole up here using the template. Got my wires ready. This is my feed wire with the power coming in that goes to the switch. It's got a metal grommet on the end, so I'm going to go ahead and use that. Okay, I'm going to run this can light to the next one right alongside, so here's the wire for that. I've added a plastic grommet on the side of the connector box. Okay, so now I've got 2 sets of wires coming in and the set of wires for the can light. I'm going to use wire nuts to connect all the black and the white together, and then the green with the ground wires. And there's a metal cap that goes back on top of the connector box. After that's in, then we're going to push the can light into the opening. And there are 3 spring tabs on the bottom. You just push each one in till it goes all the way in and locks. This is double thickness of drywall. I think that's why it's so hard to push in. Once those are locked in place, I'll go on to my next can light right down the soffit.
If you have a mirror like I do without a frame, it'll be held in place by 2 clips on the bottom and 2 on top, either plastic or metal clips. If they're metal, the top 2 clips will slide up, tip the mirror out, grab the edges, and lift it out of place. Some of these old mirrors are pretty heavy, so plan ahead. I've decided to replace the old mirror with this classy looking beveled mirror with a white molded frame. It comes with D hooks installed on the back of the mirror, but I'm going to hang it with heavy duty picture wire. and some 50-pound picture hanging hooks. I like to use the picture wire because it's easier to level and center the mirror. If you use the D hooks, just be sure to get your picture hanging hooks perfectly level when you nail them into the wall. Do some careful measuring. You can use some painter's tape on the wall if you like. Secure the picture hooks to the wall, and then hang the picture wire over the 2 hooks and use your level to get it nice and level on the wall. In the next part of this series, we'll install the vanity, marble top and backsplash, along with the fixtures, and complete the plumbing underneath the sink.